In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add logo on Shopify store. First, make sure you have your logo file ready on your computer. A PNG with a transparent background usually looks best on most themes. Keep the file size optimized so it loads quickly, and if you plan to set a favicon as well, prepare a small square version, something like 32 by 32 pixels. Start by logging into your Shopify admin. Once you're in the dashboard, look to the left-hand sidebar. Click Online Store and then choose Themes. This is where you manage how your storefront looks and behaves. Find the theme you're currently using at the top of the page. Open the theme editor by clicking Edit or Customize depending on what your interface shows. This will launch the live preview on the right and settings on the left so you can see your changes as you make them. Inside the theme editor, go to Theme Settings. This area controls your brand-wide settings, separate from individual sections like the header or footer. In theme settings, look for options labeled logo and favicon. Depending on your theme, this might also appear under branding or something similar, but you're looking for the place where you can upload your store's logo and favicon. Click select image under the logo setting, choose your logo from your library or upload a new file from your device. After selecting it, confirm that it looks sharp and isn't stretched. If your theme supports it, you may see a slider or input to adjust the logo width. Dial this in so your logo is clear but not overpowering. If you see an option to add alt text, include a brief descriptive phrase like your brand name to support accessibility. Next, in the same area, find the favicon option and click select image to add your small site icon. A clean, simple square version of your logo works best at tiny sizes. Preview how it appears in the browser tab. Take a moment to review the live preview on both desktop and mobile using the device toggles in the editor. If your theme offers logo positioning or different sizes for mobile, adjust them now so the header remains balanced and readable. When everything looks right, click Save in the top right corner. If the change doesn't appear right away on your storefront, refresh the page or clear your browser cache. That's it, your Shopify store now displays your logo and favicon, reinforcing your brand across every page.